Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we learn how to make halo text effect in Adobe Illustrator. First of all, create a rectangle. Bring to back. Create a text. And increase its size. Convert fill into stroke. Increase stroke. Then go to Effect panel. Select 3D Classic and Extrude and Bevel option. Select Isometric top. Extrude depth equal to 0. Go to Object and expand Appearance. Make 4 copies from bottom to top direction by using Alt key. Select lower 3 text and align it. Select lowest text and fill color with background color. Fill other text. Select lowest 3 text. And go to Blend Tool option. Gives steps 2000 times. Blend and make it. Select the text. Adjust it at its top. It's good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel to watch more interesting videos.